What will our industry's legacy be? This? Or this? Introducing the SafeWaste Lid Latch. A revolution in trash collection efficiency. Better for your collection team. Better for your streets. Better for your clients. And better for our planet. An elegant design made from premium materials. Tested for over 12,000 cycles. Tested for extreme temperatures. Engineered to last the life of a cart. And proven in the real world every day. A new way to beat the wind. A new way to keep out the critters. Quick and simple to install. With options to fit every style and size of cart. Custom branding. Improves environmental standards, collection efficiency, and health and safety. Improves critter resistance, corporate image, and your bottom line. Cleaner streets, happier customers. Make a difference. Choose SafeWaste for a better tomorrow. SafeWaste. The most cost-effective, easy to install cart lid securing latch in the world.